I'll need to be quick. In that case, I'm gonna choose clubs that don't have much value because I don't want to rush. I know I said I wasn't doing any weekend flips because it's sacred family time, but my whole family is gone to the hairdresser. Maybe I should have gone with them. So I have 30 minutes to myself, and this almost never happens. But I'll need to be quick, so I'll need to choose my golf clubs wisely. In that case, I'm gonna choose clubs that don't have much value because I don't want to rush any valuable club.
So that's it for me for today. It's all the time that I had. It's not my proudest moment. These clubs were rushed. They're far from perfect, but they were unsellable. So I'm thinking better a $10 profit than no profit at all. I don't know. You tell me what you think. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.